In this tutorial, I'll show you how to flatten a PDF in Foxit PDF editor. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I've got this PDF with me here. I'll just double click on it. And this particular PDF can be edited. But when you flatten a PDF, what you're doing is essentially flattening all the layers, that is the text layers, images, comments, etc. into one single layer. And you may want to do this to avoid any changes being done to this PDF, or if you just want it to go out for printing purposes without any changes being done. So I'm going to use Foxit PDF editor to flatten this particular PDF, and I'll just open it up here, and I can just drag and drop my PDF right inside there. And as you can see, this is more or less what you've seen. But if I click on edit and then click on edit text, it's possible now to edit what is in the edit or more or less the edit boxes right here. You can change the text to whatever you want it to be. So you can decide this is a capital T, whatever. Really depends on what changes you want to make. But for this video, all we want to do is just flatten this PDF. So I'll just click on organize. And once I click on organize, you'll navigate to this section called flattened. Click on it. And once you do that, you can see the option to flatten pages. And it gives you more or less a page range, either the current page or pages from number 1 or page 1 to page 21. But let's go for all pages and then click on OK. Once I do that, it has flattened. But please take note that you need to save as. Do not press on Ctrl S to save. You need to go to File, Save As, choose your folder, and then I can call this flattened PDF. Then I can call this Foxit and then click on save. Now, once you do that, you avoid overwriting the original PDF. That is so that the original PDF is intact. Now, when we go back to a folder, we now have a new file here, flattened PDF. Now, as you can see, this is more or less a flattened PDF. And that is how you can flatten a PDF using Foxit PDF editor. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.